Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the mouse pointer in Windows 10 control panel. For this, first click on this one start button and then type control. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry to open control panel. Under control panel, set view Y to category and then click on this one ease of access category. Now under ease of access center, click on change how your mouse works. Now under mouse pointers, you can select a mouse pointer of your choice and color. You can choose between white, black and inverted option. Select a desired mouse pointer, then click on apply and then OK button.